We're going to take a look at the Ultra Message Box Manager, which was released as part of 2010 Volume 1. Drop one of these onto the form. The Ultra Message Box Manager essentially is a manager for launching off different message boxes. It was created as a way of actually being able to create modern, styled message boxes as opposed to just the standard message box that you get out of the .NET framework. I'll go in here and actually set this to Vista. So now the style property will make it look similar to the Arrow Windows 7 / Vista style. Next I'll jump into my C# code. You can see I've already got an event wired up to fire off this message box. We start by newing up the Ultra Message Box Info. So you can have multiple of these classes. Essentially this holds all the information that you could possibly need for styling and adding content to a message box. Next we'll drop a caption in here. So we're just going to set some text in here. Essentially there's multiple parts to a message box. You've got the caption section, which is in the title bar. You've got the header, and this is sort of the area that's bold and up top. Now you've got the content area, and this is just the basic and all the information on the content. We're actually going to go in here and actually set an image in there as well. So we'll drop the content area appearance image, and it will give you, one of the images that I've got up as part of this project. What you're also noticing here is you can see that I actually have an appearance object. So what's cool about that is if I go in there and take a look at that, this is actually a full appearance object with everything that comes with the appearance object: forecolor, back color, ability to do gradients with different gradient styles. You can see that there's a lot of fidelity of how you can actually richly style this message box. Next we'll go in and add the buttons. So this is actually using an enum, which is just the standard system.windowsforms message box enum. Next we're going to go in and go ahead and add a show help button. So this just another button that adds to the message box. And last but not least, we will tap into the Ultra Message Box Manager, call the show message box, and pass it the Ultra Message Box Info class that we've just defined. Go ahead and hit build. The app will pop up. Hit the message box button, and you can see that we have a very nicely styled message box. You also heard some sounds. There are properties to turn those off as well. It's a very highly flexible control, and you can do a lot with it. And you can see the different parts on here as well, from the caption, the header, the content, and if you did choose to add it, you can actually add footer content as well.
Infragistics. On the web at infragistics.com.